make a gift hamper, take basket and spray paint. We'll be using two colors for this DIY. Once your basket has dried, adjust your gift like so. Paste chocolates or any small gifts. Now take cellophane and wrap your hamper like so. Secure using tape. Take ribbon and cut twice the length of basket like so. Paste them. To curl the ribbons, use one blade of scissors and apply little pressure with your thumb. Paste them like so. Secure and cover them. This is the flower that I'll be using for this hamper. And if you want to make this flower, I'll leave a link down below from where you can check how to make paper flowers. Paste flower in the center. And we are done!